Just set it in the rice cooker. Easy and delicious Japanese creamy miso stew. $100 of onion. Cut into bite-sized pieces. $50 of carrot. Cut into small pieces. $60 of broccoli. Cut into bite-sized pieces. $100 of potato. Cut into bite-sized pieces. $160 of chicken thigh. Cut into bite-sized pieces. A dash of salt and pepper. Flip it over and sprinkle it on the other side. 2 tablespoons of flour. 2 tablespoons of miso. 2 tablespoons of sake. 1 teaspoon of bouillon powder. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 220 ml of water. Mix well. Put the cut ingredient into the rice cooker pot. Add the pre-made stew base. Set the pot in the rice cooker. Cook on your rice cooker's regular cooking mode. If it doesn't turn off automatically, turn it off manually halfway through. When cooked, 15 grams of butter. 200 ml of milk. Stir, being careful not to scratch the rice cooker pot while breaking up any lumps at the bottom. Cover and set to the keep warm mode. After keeping it warm for about 10 minutes, it's done. Add salt and pepper to taste. 炊飯器で作る日本のホワイトシチューでした。Enjoy!